So we're in Clovis, California, maybe Fresno, California. Anyways, we're in California, up in an attic, very hot, and middle of summer. We did a repair here. The piping, you can see, this is the hot water going down to the water heater. This is the hot side, so, you know, hot water, and then it had a T, and then it's got another T, and anyways, that pipe's all good. The other side looked identical to this. Came up, a 90, copper 90 going this way. Then it did have a 1 by 1.5 T like this. And then it had a 1-inch bullhead T. So the 1-inch line, as you can see, this piping here and this piping here, except for it was laying flat out this way. We had to reconfigure it because about 2.5 feet that way out in the insulation is another hard copper manifold, which does not allow the PEX tubing to bend very freely. And so if you look over there, you can see it poking out, that little copper piece right there. So it's pretty much now in line. So what we did is we just cut the pipe down low, sharp pipe coupling, bullheaded the T up top there, little coupling there to extend the pipe over from where we cut it. Same thing over here, except we tucked the T in. It used to be look like that. We tucked the T in here, took a little piece of pipe, tied it back in. I'm imagining that 1/2-inch line goes over to a hose bib, like over on the garage, outside garage wall somewhere. And so that's back in, and then of course this is existing piping right here. And you can see it's the Worspo. They've changed names since then. It's Uponor, UPONOR. Great product. We just don't like to see this. You have the brass fitting soldered into a copper fitting, and if you're not real careful with your soldering joints, they corrode. They begin to weep, and then you get calcification, and then eventually it leaks and drips, and then you got water damage. So anyways, we repaired that like we said we would. We're going to wait a couple minutes, turn the water back on, test for leaks. Outside of that, this installation is done.